What's up guys, today we're checking out the P6x Projector from Aaxa. We'll be putting the world's brightest portable mini projector through its paces and seeing if it's perfect for our family camping trips. So without any further ado, let's get into it. On top, you'll find the Aaxa logo and the menu control buttons, and on one side the air vents with the speaker and the battery indicator located on the back. On the other side, you'll come across the reset button, DC input, USB input for viewing content and charging devices, the AV and headphone jack inputs, a HDMI input, the switch to turn it on and off and to put it into charge mode, as well as the focus ring. On the front is the lens as well as a slot for a micro SD card. So now this is unboxed, let's quickly test this out in my outdoor movie setup. After having family moving out with the kids, I found the setup to be quick and easy. Even with all my garden lights on while plugged in, the P6x's 1100 lumens of brightness was more than enough to handle giving out a bright and impressive image. It definitely got a thumbs up from the kids. I decided to hook up my PlayStation 5 and test out some gaming. I found the response time was pretty good, especially for fast-paced games like FIFA 23. And when playing first-person shooters like Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, the picture was clear and handled motion really well. Overall, this is great for casual gaming and a perfect way for entertaining the kids for hours of fun. The only thing left to do now was to unplug this and take it away with us for some epic camping movie nights. After setting up my portable projector screen, I set about adding some lights around the place for some ambient effect. I then added some wood to the fire pit and got on to putting up a camping shelter for the kids to view the movie. With the popcorn ready, we now just needed to wait for the sun to go down. The P6x's menu is simple and easy to navigate. Here you can access different inputs as well as settings. To get the maximum 4 hours from the 54-watt lithium-ion battery, make sure you change the brightness to eco mode, and this will give you 1000 LED lumens of light. This projector also has an impressive built-in speaker and gave a well-rounded sound considering the small size. You can also use the audio jack output to hook up an external speaker if needed.
sing the song chords to remember each beat.
In my opinion, the Aaxa P6x portable projector is just epic for camping. I would highly recommend this, whether playing content from a USB, micro SD card or plugging in a Fire Stick. This gives you an awesome HD picture and nice sound, and it can even double as a power bank to charge smart devices. A big massive thank you to Aaxa Technologies for sending this out and taking my camping experience to the next level. If you want to check this out for yourself, the link will be in the description, and as always, comment, like, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.